has grown up listening to stories like girls can't do this. So like there are stories where my own relatives, they have been the toppers, gold medalists, they've done something, they have achieved something in their professional life, but as soon as they enter into the marriage phase, they have a regret.
What was your biggest challenge?
During the second wave of COVID, it just happened that I went 90% blind.
What is the mindset or the trait of an entrepreneur?
When men come to me, they come with a mindset that I have to do whatever so happens because उनके लिए और कुछ है ही नहीं ना जिंदगी में.
No plan B.
No plan B है ना. So when you have no plan B, then plan A को कुछ भी तुम करो, उल्टा का सीधा करो, सीधा का उल्टा, it has to work.
Most of the business coaches, what they will tell you is, we will take you through a 6-month program. They only want upfront amount. Hi, welcome to the Evolvement Podcast. I am Reen C, the Evolvement Coach. I mentor conscious leaders, and today we are meeting somebody who is not just a conscious leader herself, but is also the business transformation coach. Sakshi helps service businesses to actually grow and move beyond the regular business models that they have into becoming a premium brand and a premium business model. And Sakshi, definitely welcome to the Evolvement Podcast, and I think I've been following up with you, I think for the last 6 months to come for my podcast.
That's true. Thank you so much for making this space for me. And yes, it's been a long time, but everything that happens is good, right?
Definitely. Yeah. Sakshi had a few more businesses to grow and a few more goals to achieve and milestones to achieve. I have been following your career and what all you've been doing for the last 2 years. I think we met in November 2022.
22.
Yeah. And I'll tell you what, there was always this spark about you that was very different. Others were just talking. That was my feeling. My first gut feeling that when I met you, others were just talking, about, okay, this is what we will do or this is what we are doing. I found you to be very understated. There was this quiet confidence about you. It's like लोग बात कर रहे हैं, हम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. और मुझे जो वो एक लगा, and believe me, the last 2-year interactions that I've had with you, I've had with many people whom you have been coaching as well. I've even joined you all 2-3 times, for those community meetings, and you very graciously given me those open invites. Okay, please come for our community meetings. And I find the change that you have brought in people has been quite amazing, because the people whom you have been coaching, I am a third party person. I am an outsider. And I have seen the kind of confidence that people have got after they've started working with you. So, I remember you were coaching somebody, I think Dr. Aarti Shah, and there was somebody, there was this book launch which you did for all your mentees. I think 3 or 4 of them had a book launch together. Right. And that was an amazing event, by the way. So she had handled, she had actually launched, a big book launch event for all your her mentees, where everyone who had actually written a book had got this big platform to launch it.
Right.
And I was literally amazed by that. I mean, the energy of the event, and that something really got me going. I said, this is someone who's not just being a facilitator, but she's there every step of the way, guiding her people. And I remember Aarti Shah, we had a long conversation, and that is where my interest in you kind of, peaked. I said, yeah, this is someone who knows what she's doing. Okay, so I want you to tell me now, of all the people you coach, you have coached so many people. What is the mindset or the trait of an entrepreneur that, when you see somebody, you're like, okay, this person will succeed, or this person might not succeed, and with your experience now, how do you identify that? And what gets you going? हाँ, ये हो जाएगा. What is that?
Right. So first of all, thank you so much for observing so many things about me and remembering that long journey, because yes, definitely we had the event in 2022, long time, long talks, but then yes, memories do remain. So thank you for that. And yes, definitely when we deal with businesses, first of all, with me it's like, you know, I'm a very selective kind of a person, not a herd person. So I don't like that full room and all that stuff. I'm like, if I'm working with two, even I'm working with two, that has to be like, you know, full in. So that is the kind of situation, or that is the kind of environment that we have within our community. And with the mindset that I feel that any entrepreneur must have is where, like, you know, you come to know about the people when they have a learning mindset, they have a growth mindset. Okay, ठीक है कि मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, irrespective of whatever the condition be around. Okay,
you know, this is a term, I'm sorry for interrupting,
Yeah.
but I think for our viewers, okay, this is a term which is now being abused.
I understand.
Okay, growth
I
mindset,
understand.
success mindset, learning mindset.
Right.
I want you to delve grassroots level ki what do you see in these people,
Right.
and unme alag kya hai? What is different about these
Yeah.
people?
Okay, so when we have the first interaction with people, or like, you know, we don't have just one interaction, there are 4-5 interactions before we actually decide whether we want to coach them or not.
Okay.
तो जब ये सब होता है ना, तो there is one thing that a pattern of behavior that you will always see in simple language. Now I'll not speak about the terminologies existing in the market, but बहुत ही generic तरीके से एक pattern होता है जो लोग repeat करते हैं again and again. Okay, they'll
Okay.
repeat it again and again.
ठीक
For
है.
example, if you tell them something, if they are making excuses, okay,
हाँ.
ठीक है कि ये इसलिए नहीं हुआ because this thing happened. Okay.
Okay.
You tell them, okay, now this needs to be done. So sometimes, like, you know, people are so glued to their past that they don't want to see the future. Okay, so if you are so glued to your past, you can't see the future. That's exactly where there is a problem with growth mindset.
Correct.
Okay, ठीक है, तो ये सब चीज़ें वाकई में एग्जिस्ट करती है. हाँ, although I believe that it has been over popularized by a few people in the industry, but then at the same time, these are the minute things that we literally observe. Okay,
Right.
because you are the start of your own business.
Correct.
Till the time you are not right, the root is not right, the shoots and the flowers and the, like, you know, leaves, nothing is going to be right, because you
Correct.
are the transporting system of your whole business tree.
The
Right? Just
center
like that,
point.
yeah, the evolvement tree that you have, right? Okay,
Yeah.
the beautiful tree structure that you have in your own
Correct.
community. Okay, so it's very, very important for you first to be grounded. One thing, okay, not to be in that all that glitters and glam. So I'll tell you, like, you know, we really don't like to work with people who are, like, you know, all that
Give
glittery,
examples. Can you give an example?
Okay, so I don't want to take names here, but then yes, there have been cases where people come to me and they say, like, you know, I'm ready to pay you this much.
Okay.
Okay, come, and we need someone to visit our office regularly. Okay, be there, train my team, and, like, you know, that becomes like, okay, now I am not an employee there to sit there and, like, you know, get the daily jobs done. You are an entrepreneur. You want to sit on the chair and be relaxed and say कि जो भी हो रहा है मैं कर रहा हूँ. Okay,
हाँ.
ठीक है, but then ultimately you want people to do it.
So I think somewhere they are
So there
outsourcing.
is-
Even that entrepreneur is there
Outsourcing
it
the
to you.
entrepreneurship.
Yeah, like that
Yeah.
is something I think that's what they are doing.
Right, because
Yeah.
an entrepreneur, the basic structure that they set is a culture.
Okay.
Okay, whether it be a small organization, I have 95% people working on remote with me, right? But there is still a culture.
Okay.
If we need leaves, there is a system. Okay, if we have to go somewhere, there is a system. If we are not able to do something, to accept something, there is a system.
Wow.
Where we say you did a mistake, we know it's a mistake.
Correct.
Don't try to hide it.
Correct.
Come
If you're aware of the
Because
mistake,
it's
you can
important
correct
as a
it.
person.
Yeah.
So we are very open as an organization, as a person. Any of my team members, they can call me anytime, even sometimes at night, they can ping me a message and they can talk about, मैम मुझसे ये गलती हो गई है.
Correct.
That is the kind of culture that we have built up.
Right.
Although we are less in numbers, but I'm sure when we make it big as a team, okay, this is going to grow in their personal lives as well. कि मुझे open रहना है. I
Correct.
have to accept whatever has happened and I have to move ahead.
No, and even if your team is
So-
open, they are the ones who are, when they are working with all the other entrepreneurs as well,
Right.
you know, when they are open, when they are learning, you know, when they are not hiding their mistakes, that is when they can pinpoint to others.
Obviously,
क्योंकि खुद का ही आप छुपाते ही रहोगे.
it becomes easy for them.
हाँ.
It becomes very easy for them to handle clients.
Right.
So when I give them a task, like we have a small coaching groups with different people, and my team gets involved in that group as well. So when they get involved, and if they have to do something and the entrepreneur is not able to do it, sometimes my team is like, ma'am, हमसे भी हो जाता है, कर लो ना. Okay, or like some of my clients, they don't want to make a video, they are camera conscious or something like that. Ma'am, मैं आपके साथ बैठता हूँ.
Lovely, very nice. Yeah,
but I want you to do it.
Correct.
So they are trained like this to behave like this with the clients.
Right.
And I believe that as an entrepreneur, these all things are very, very important. And I have also learned it, to be very, very honest.
Yeah, no
it's
one,
a learning journey
it's
for
not,
everyone.
I think really nobody is really, ये बोलते हैं कि हाँ आपके अंदर तो business तो रग रग में है, but nobody really, you cannot really prepare for this. जब वो प्रॉब्लम आती है, जब वो खड्डे दिखते हैं, then you know, okay, isko now how do I get through this?
Obviously,
they are obstacle courses. You're not just going to fly through. Okay, oh, I have a business mentality, I am just going to fly through it, I am going to skim through the whole thing. You cannot do that. You have to get your hands dirty, you have to be available, you have to always keep thinking, what next, where is my next deal going to come in, where is my next project going to come in, what am I going to do with my team?
Right.
So that is the level that you really have to put in.
Yes.
And I think somewhere I have also been learning it the hard way.
We all do it the hard way.
Yeah.
Yesterday I was talking to one of my clients and I said, you think you are in a mess? You know what mess I am into? You never know it.
Correct.
Okay, there are so many 75 videos unedited kept in my laptop. For what? Showcase.
Right. Obviously.
Okay, so I am in a different kind of a mess.
Correct.
Okay, whom do I speak to? I have to accept. Sometimes I even accept it in front of my clients. I'm like, see, I'll show you something.
Correct.
Right? Because, each of us is learning. So that is what is learning mindset growth.
One thing which I always talk about, so conscious leadership is what we talk about, in the Evolvement podcast. And, conscious leadership is where you even own up to your faults. You're not trying to hide. You're not trying to blame others. You're not trying to, literally only show the perfect part of you. You are a real person. And every minute you are conscious of where you are, what is going wrong, what is going right. So this is conscious leadership.
Right.
And being completely prepared. So this is something, and I also call it being earthquake proof, by the way.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have been through so many jolts. Okay, that you fall in and then you get up again.
No, because there are so many people I meet, and believe me, I'm meeting so many people now. I'm going to these networking events, and I mean, Aisha, what happened? No, you know what? This had happened 2 years back. This happened 3 years back. They are still there.
Still there.
Okay, you know what? Earthquakes are happening daily. There is something happening daily, monthly, weekly. But how you overcome it? Yeah, that's happened. It always should be now what next?
What next?
And I think the what next guys are where the actual conscious leadership comes in, and and people, that is the growth mindset.
Right.
कि हो गया, अब हो गया. अब इसके ऊपर रोना नहीं है, कितना रो लोगे?
Right.
अब उसको ऊपर आगे जाना है. So अगर somebody whom you met and जिसके पास जो पहले बहुत रो रहे थे कि ऐसे है, ये है, ऐसे कोई ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आपने देखा है कि उन्होंने अपने आप को कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर लिया?
Yes, there have been few clients with us.
हाँ.
So what happens is, like, when you come into a coaching setup, sometimes also it's difficult to accept your own things. Okay. Because you're so surrounded by the environment that is there to always push you down, कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. And then एक वो सेल्फ डाउट आ जाता है, प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है वहाँ पे समझने में, टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. यू फील लाइक यू आर ऑल gone out, nothing is working for you, nothing is going straight, why it's happening only with me? Right? So we have certain clients who come up with this particular thing. Okay, like I still have clients when I take not clients, but sometimes when I take consultation calls at the starting phases of a funnel, that's where I meet people and then they're still cribbing about the COVID thing that happened.
Okay, so
COVID happened in 2020.
2022 it got over. So और 2 साल उसको खत्म हो गए भी हो गया.
हाँ,
करेक्ट.
ठीक है. एंड अभी तक हम उस चीज को अगर पकड़ के बैठे हैं कि ये 2020 में हुआ था, दैट इज व्हाई माय बिजनेस डिडंट ग्रो, सॉरी.
और ये वो लोग हैं जो अंगूठियां पहन रहे हैं, ठीक है. पुखराज पहन रहे हैं, ठीक है, रुद्राक्ष डाल रहे हैं, हमारे पे इविल आई निकल जाए, ठीक है, ये वो लोग हैं क्योंकि इनको अपने पे काम नहीं करना है, इनको लग रहा है कि बाहर से प्रॉब्लम है, आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड हैज अ प्रॉब्लम एंड इफ आई डू दिस देन माय वर्ल्ड विल गो प्री कोविड.
Yeah, that's
Somewhere.
not going to happen, right? Past is past.
Past is past.
Bygones are bygones.
हाँ.
They'll never become your future. Right?
Exactly.
Okay, so somewhere you need to forget that. You said very nicely, you scripted it out here that, like, you know, you need to forget what has happened. You cannot take that with you as a baggage. There's a very beautiful video, once animated video that I saw. I sometimes show it to my coaching people also.
Okay.
There's a very beautiful video of a man. Okay, he walks. There's a road. There are trees side by, all greenery. Okay, the green forest, बिल्कुल नीचे flowers लगे हैं. There is a path like this.
Okay.
Very curvy path. There's a river flowing through the mountain. Birds are chirping. Very pleasant atmosphere.
Right.
And this man is moving. Okay, he gets a bag. Okay, and he finds that bag attractive. He doesn't knows what's inside. Okay, now with the fear that someone will watch me, he just picks that bag and keeps it on his shoulder. Okay, he moves ahead. He gets another bag, which is little bit of much more bigger, much more heavier. Looks pretty from outside. Doesn't knows what's inside. He picks that up, puts on the
other
second
shoulder.
hand. Okay. Okay. Now he's working like this. Okay. Now he gets another bag. थोड़े दूर जाके, what he does?
Picks it up.
Picks it up. After walking through a mile, he is walking like this. Okay. That's the baggage that you carry.
Correct.
Right?
Exactly.
You go to a spot where you find the space, a safe spot. What the man will do at the safe spot? He will open up all his bags. He finds trash, all kachara, dried leaves, this, that. Moves everything out.
Yeah.
And sits like this. Okay? Then the monk comes in.
Right.
And he says, he's like, you carried all these bags, no? From the past 1 mile. He says, yes, how do you know? Says, I and my disciples, they kept it there on the path. Okay, if I would have said come and, like, you know, remove all the things that you have, you would have never come.
Right.
Okay, we kept it to to help people understand that everything that looks glittery on the outside, everything was so nice. You never paid attention to whatever was there in the way. Your attention became only on the next bag that would come on the way. Because you got so many bags.
Correct.
So what we do in our life, we are like, अच्छा ठीक है, अब मैं घर जाऊंगी ना तो मेरी मदर इन लॉ ना ऐसे खड़ी होंगी. You are preparing a baggage for yourself.
You're not appreciating what you already have. He was going through this scenic route, everything was beautiful, and he was living open, like very free. And suddenly just ke acquire karna hai. And I think that's so true, Sakshi, for today's day and age. You know, I actually wrote it in my book as well. You know, I said people are only focusing on success, okay, as numbers.
So speaking about this whole thing about the family thing and, like, you know, how males and females are being categorized into the society, yes, there are many things that are, like, you know, biased also in the society. Sometimes there are many things that are biased in the law also. I feel with the recent example that has come in with a suicide in Bangalore of an employee, okay, which is just like, you know, you get tortured so much that you don't find anything else as a resort to your things. And these situations are really scary in today's world. Right? Okay. So for me, when it comes to entrepreneurship, I would say entrepreneurship should be a gender neutral platform. Okay. And it should be something where people want to come, they want to evolve. Okay. They want to innovate something. Okay. They want to show their creativity to the world. They want to build teams. They want to support other families. It's a very noble thing to do that, to think of it, to support a family for the whole year that they are working with you, or for years that they are working with you. It's a very noble thing to think of something like that. So for me, earlier I was into a thought process where it's like I didn't want to marry even a man who's into a business class family. You know?
Acha.
Okay. I used to tell my
That's
mother,
your personal level.
Yeah, I used to tell my mother that please don't get me married into a business class family, because what I had seen was people come. Okay, especially like I come from a Sindhi family, and business is like, you know, somewhere from generations in Sindhi families, and they come in the morning, they'll take everything that is required and they will go to their business. They are lost there.
Okay.
Everything is being taken care of the female in the household. Okay, and then they come at night and
Yeah.
the chapter is closed, and the next day happens. Okay, although you
Okay.
have money, okay, although you have, they'll say that you have everything that you need, but somewhere that mental space that you want with your partner is not there.
Okay.
That was traditional way of running businesses in the
yeah.
communities.
See, we have
Okay?
seen that
Today-
men look after the income,
Right.
women look after the house.
Yes.
That was,
हाँ.
and I think we have grown up in that same mentality.
Right.
Because वही हमारे
वही
घर में
हमारे
होता
साथ
था,
था।
तो हाँ, हमने
हाँ.
वही देखा है.
हाँ.
Right.
So I didn't want to marry into a business class family.
Right.
So I told my mom नहीं, ठीक है. And the day I announced कि I am starting a business, the family was shocked. So they were like कि क्यों? तुम्हें क्या जरूरत है? Okay?
Right.
And then I said नहीं, I want to from freelancing, I want to move and form a proper business model. I'm not moving out of this now.
Correct.
Okay, I see my life situations going this way and I can't move. Okay, so there's a different story attached to it. I may tell later. So
No, I need to
that's-
know. India wants to know. Evolvement definitely wants to know.
Evolvement. Okay. So basically, what happened was that, post my maternity, I realized that I cannot give so much time to corporate things. I'll have to make a career switch. And I thought of freelancing initially, but soon in my journey, I got a mentor.
Right.
Within the first 3-4 months of executing my business, I was into a mentor. I don't know, it was universe is calling or something. I landed up onto his ad.
हाँ.
1.5. कितना रात को 1:30 बजे.
Okay.
Okay, so that was the time when I was feeding my child. You know how small children
Yeah.
they make you wake up at night. And I was feeding my child and I was watching Facebook.
Okay.
And then there comes an ad. That time Instagram was not so much popular and
Correct.
into being. So Facebook was much more popular. So
Right.
you're seeing an ad of a person who's saying, I can help you if you want to become a trainer and a coach. And like, okay, now this is something that I have been doing earlier. So something resonates here. So I just went in, and that's how my first mentorship journey with one of my best mentors started. And from there, I realized that okay, I cannot do this whole thing for full thing, and I'll have to take a drop from my career, move to a different setup, and I started setting up my business. Now the things are not easy always, right? Okay. The only reason why I did was because I have always grown up listening to stories like girls can't do this.
हाँ.
Okay, so like there are stories where my own relatives, my very very close relatives, they have been the toppers, gold medalist, they have done something, they have achieved something in their professional life, but as soon as they enter into the married phase, things got changed for them and they couldn't fix it out at that particular moment. So after 30 years, now they have a regret because kids have grown. The husband is as usual busy as he was, and there
Yes.
is no fault of his because he
Correct.
has to be the bread owner
हाँ.
every time, right? Okay, so it's not his fault completely. उसका fault नहीं है,
नहीं
थोड़ा
है.
बहुत it's okay. Okay, so that's
The
that's
empty
somewhere.
nest now comes in
हाँ,
because
right.
kids have grown.
Yeah.
Kids don't need you anymore. Yeah, and now you're like, what have I done with
Whatever.
my life?
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So this was the regret that the females in my family had.
Correct.
And this was common stories. मैं जहाँ जाती थी ना मुझे ये stories सुनने के लिए मिलती थी.
हाँ.
And then people used to say the same stories to me.
Okay.
कि you know what, everything changes after marriage. अरे अब बच्चे के बाद ना सब बदल जाता है.
I know.
ठीक है, when I left the job, people were like, हाँ ये तो होना ही था.
Correct.
ठीक है,
हाँ.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, वो है ना. I mean, my husband है ना.
हाँ.
वो है, वो अच्छी बात है. But then what I did with myself, okay, I had a good education. ठीक है, मैं इतना पढ़ी सिर्फ इस दिन के लिए, to sit. So that was not something that I wanted. I didn't want to repeat the same stories to my daughter.
हाँ.
That was the problem.
Correct. You know, and I'm
Okay, कि मेरी
so
डॉटर
proud of you.
कल को जब बड़ी हो तो मैं उसको ये स्टोरी नहीं सुनाऊं कि बेटा आप ये नहीं कर सकते और ये नहीं कर सकते. It should be like you can do it, but you should know how to do it. It should not be in revenge or in anger, but it should be done in such a manner that you build space for yourself while maintaining the other things that are happening.
You know,
And this is the problem with females.
But
I'll come back to
this-
your question here that you asked me.
I'll tell you why. But I think somewhere mothers have not taught their daughters to take their own step. I'll tell you why. I found this to be not just with me. I mean, I think overall, even you know how you see movies and you see around you. The first thing when a daughter gets married, okay, a son when he gets married, he is told, beta, now you have to earn for your family also. You have to earn for your wife, you have to maintain her, you have to look after a house, you know, you have to look after like all the expenses, children will come, so you have to grow. Okay, and a daughter gets married, and what they tell her, adjust with your family. Okay, you have to now look after the house.
Right.
Okay, which girl doesn't adjust? Have we not
Adjusted. Right. The
Kindly
word
adjust,
The
you know?
word adjust is taken very casually in Indian families.
No, and they put all that pressure onto that girl that now, you know, you were, one person, now you have to become a completely different person. Okay, so this particular burden is put on the female.
Right.
And I think somewhere that has to be a case of, okay, girl, you are adjusting. Not adjusting, you are now married. Okay, your husband is also married, both of y'all have to find that equation now.
Right.
Not adjust, but there has to be a new equation happening, because both of y'all are equally educated,
Right.
equally independent, equally financially responsible.
Right.
Correct? So that is how, so now you can, I think, this is something which I really wanted to say, sorry.
No issues. So fortunately for me, I had a mother who, she couldn't do much
Right.
after her studies, after getting selected for so many positions here and there. She couldn't do much, but then there was one thing that she grew up me with, that was that you choose a career where you can balance out your family. This was very beautiful thing that I have always learned with my mother, ki choose a career where you can balance out with the family. Reason she used to say this is because she knew that family is something that you cannot ignore like this.
Correct.
Right? Okay, they are your support systems, क्योंकि आपके business में कुछ भी होता है या job में कुछ भी होता है, you need someone to come back and cry at. Okay, या show your thing कि यार ये चल रहा है. Okay, so you cannot expect that family is not your part, it's a part of your life. Right? She wanted me to accept that, and that acceptance came into me in the early years. So like, you know, what has started happening was, she used to see it that I started earning when I was in grade 10. I have never told this anywhere, but
Wow.
I started earning when I was in grade 10. So my mother bought me 2 6-year-olds. I was in grade 10. She bought me 2 6-year-old judwa daughters, twins. And she told me, beta, ये ना वो आंटी के बच्चियां हैं, and from tomorrow ना start teaching them drawing.
Okay.
Nothing planned, nothing.
अच्छा,
She
ठीक
just
है.
bought me 2 kids and she's telling me,
हाँ,
take
कि-
drawing classes for
ठीक
them.
है, okay.
I said, ठीक है, drawing is something that I love,
हाँ.
and then that is something that I can do. So then from there, like, you know, teaching, educating, coaching and everything.
And you got that
started.
chaska ki, okay, I can earn money.
हाँ, okay.
ये चस्का है.
ये चस्का है.
हाँ.
You won't imagine. I used to get 60 rupees per student per month.
Wow.
60.
Okay.
But those 60 were mine. My mother, my father, they never asked me what I am doing with those 60 rupees.
Correct.
Never.
Never.
So by 11th, 12th, when I had to stand up with my friends, okay, I had my own ways to give gifts to my friends.
Right.
I had my own ways to do Maggie parties. That time Maggie parties ही होती थी यार हमारे यहाँ पे तो we didn't had that clubs and all that stuff to enjoy. Or,
Correct.
like, you know, we didn't had that
The
atmosphere.
simple pleasures, yeah.
Simple pleasures. हम लोग कॉन्ट्री करके
हाँ.
मैगी खाते थे कॉलेज
Correct.
में.
Right.
Okay?
हाँ.
एक दिन आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर वी वर 4 फ्रेंड्स एंड बैग में से ना हमने लिटरली चिल्लर निकाले थे टू ब्रिंग 1 मैगी का प्लेट. And then in the garden we are sitting and we are having the Maggie and पीछे से प्रोफेसर आके खड़ा हो जाता है.
ठीक है.
So बिल्कुल सिनेमैटिक वो चीज आज तक हम वो नहीं भूलते कि कैसे हमने चिल्लर इकट्ठा करे थे. Today we all are placed in good places, but वो
We never forget that.
चीजें
You
याद
never
आती है कि
forget
कैसे
that.
हमने अपने अपने बैग से चिल्लर इकट्ठा करे थे 30 रुपए की मैगी खरीदने के लिए.
Seriously.
So that is the time when, like, you know, that thing कि नहीं मुझे करना है came in from there. And then उसी के साथ ही I think that is why I say family is the root, and that is why I say I don't want to repeat the same story with my kid that people have told me. So
Yeah.
fortunately I had my strong mother. I want to be a strong mother to the next generation.
Definitely.
Whether it be a daughter or a son, we have to be a strong person whom our kids can count on.
I'll tell you what, I
And, the
saw
problem-
something. I remember, so I, when I was working, and I remember there was a lot of guilt because you're not giving that time to your child, or you know आप अपना वो time निकाल के. And I was working. See, you
Right.
took a route that you said कि I want to be an entrepreneur, and you took a little tougher route also. But yeah, for me, working that time was the only thing which was making sense, because I had to earn money to support my child and myself and all that. So, but I was working, and I remember there was a holiday, so it was a weekend or something, and we were, so that particular office where I was working was in Worli. Okay, it was Nirlon House at Worli, opposite Sasmira's. Okay, so I was in Kotak. Kotak had 3-4 floors in that building. And I remember we were going to the Nehru Planetarium. My son and I had planned a day trip. So हमने taxi लेके, we said we'll go to the planetarium, science center.
Right.
Okay, and वो था, उसका 1-2 friends थे ऐसे करके. And my so son knew कि my mother works here. मैंने पहले भी दिखाया हुआ था and all. I said, see my office building. And my son looks at his friends. See that building? My mother works there. You know, the expression on his face, the pride that, you know, and I felt, I said, yes, this is the mature individual that I want him to grow into. I don't want him to look at women as weak. इनको तो support करना पड़ता है, इनको तो, that pride that he had, and believe me, till today, I'm doing so much. You know, my son is standing with me. He is like my backbone and he's my biggest support. Mama, aap karo. You do it, I'm there. You know, and I just love that. Guess what? All his friends come. लोग अपने parents को ना छुपा देते हैं. Parents आए, मम्मी आप बाहर मत आना.
Right.
You know, आप don't
These
come
days,
in. आप क्या बात कर रहे हो? What were you talking to my friends? You know, when his friends come, they specially come to meet me. हाँ auntie, hello, how are you doing? Okay, and my son will be like, हाँ तुम लोग मम्मी के साथ बात करो, मैं आ रहा हूँ 2 minutes. Like, so my son is so happy because he knows कि मेरी माँ जो है वो अच्छी बात करेगी. She is in her own person. वो सिर्फ बच्चा तुमने खाया क्या, तुमने पिया क्या, वो ये नहीं पूछेगी. She'll talk about lot of other stuff.
Right.
So that pride in him I see. It's because I am not just a mother. I am my own person. I have an identity of my own.
Right.
So I think that makes her. I think everyone who has a child, you know, you need to also have your identity, because you cannot just be a parent or you cannot just be a wife. You know, this is something which I feel people ignore. They feel for the higher good, let me ignore this. But I don't think the time is now where you cannot ignore it anymore.
Right. So, like, you know, coming back to one of the questions that you asked me in the beginning, that, you know, what is the difference between men's mindset and women's mindset
exactly.
about entrepreneurship?
Haan.
I would say that when men come to me, they come with a mindset that I have to do whatever so happens, because उनके लिए और कुछ है ही नहीं ना जिंदगी
No
में.
plan B.
No plan B है ना.
हाँ.
So when you have no plan B, then plan A को कुछ भी तुम करो, उल्टा का सीधा करो, सीधा का उल्टा, it has to work.
Correct.
So when they come to me, they are like, whatever you do, we will make it happen. Okay, so they are very sorted at mindset level.
Just do it.
They have a
वो
just do
Nike.
it kind of,
just do it.
Just kind of that attitude कि ये तो मुझे करना है. Just
Correct.
like a marathon runner.
Right.
ठीक है? कि मुझे इतना माइल्स दौड़ना ही दौड़ना है, बीच में कितने फ्लैग पोस्ट है मुझे उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. कितनी बार मैं रुक रहा हूँ, कितनी बार पानी पी रहा हूँ, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Right.
रुक भी रहा हूँ कि नहीं वो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So just like a marathon runner, they are like मुझे ultimately race complete करना है. Now what happens with women on the contradictory is, sometimes you surround yourself with your surroundings so much. As I said, like, you know, when you enter, you are seeing what the others will say. Okay, you create an atmosphere where you can speak about what you think of. Okay, till the time you don't create that atmosphere, no one is going to create that atmosphere for yourself, whether it be home, whether it be office.
Okay.
So in case of women entrepreneurs, the environment plays a very big role. Okay, in the sense that sometimes you're surrounded with so much of this environment thing कि there are many people who come to me and say that, like, you know, ये supportive नहीं है, ये ऐसा है, people don't believe in my idea, they don't want me to grow. Okay, believe me, there is no force in the universe that will ever stop you. You have to create that environment for yourself. You can't expect others to do it for you.
What if, like, their husbands are not supportive, or, you know, they are always screaming at them or something like that? I mean, do you have like that toxic environment? वैसे भी you face things?
I had one client.
Acha.
Without taking names, definitely. I had one client where the relationship was very, very toxic. Okay, and the
Okay.
only reason why this girl wanted to earn was to move out of the relationship.
Okay,
Because
got
she
it.
felt like I am dependent on this person, so I cannot take me and my 2 children out from here. So she honestly told me about this whole thing. And what I could say is, yes, definitely it was her who started twisting the things for herself. Okay, so with her she was little bit fortunate enough कि toxic तो था relationship, but also we have times when we are alone. Okay, like kids have gone to school. Okay, husband definitely has to move out. He cannot be the चौकीदार for you every day.
Correct.
Right, कहीं ना कहीं तो वो जाएगा.
अपने
Things will
he'll go to
happen.
work wherever.
He'll go to
हाँ.
work. Right.
Correct.
Okay, so she used to stitch.
अच्छा.
Okay, ठीक है. Now with stitching, what is the best part is if your husband asks or anyone asks, you have a shadow. ऐसे ही.
हाँ.
ठीक है. You are not telling someone that I am selling it.
करेक्ट. हाँ.
Okay.
नहीं, घर पे बैठ के सिलाई कर रहे थे. हाँ.
सिलाई कर रही थी. मैं बोर हो रही हूँ. What should I do?
Exactly.
I'm giving you. I'm serving you food when you want it.
Right.
I'm spending time with my kids.
हाँ.
I'm giving them food, clothing, everything that they need. Okay. Every
Right.
daily thing is being taken care of.
Correct.
Right? So she told me that Sakshi, I have some beautiful pieces. I want to show you something.
Okay.
I said, okay, what you have to show me?
हाँ.
Okay. And that was a virtual call. It was not a physical call. She was from Lucknow.
Okay.
And it just happened, she showed me some beautiful stitched pieces.
Okay.
And I just told her कि ठीक है, let's create something out of it. What can you do? Okay. So she said, I don't know what to do. मतलब मुझे इतना ही आता है. The
And
first-
women generally know stitching.
हाँ.
Many women are taught stitching.
Right. But the
हाँ.
problem is कि हम skill को upskill नहीं करते.
Okay.
ठीक है. जैसे
हाँ.
हमें किसी ने सिलाई सिखा दी because women को सिलाई आनी चाहिए.
Correct. It's a
कि
home
कढ़ाई
skill.
सिखा दी क्योंकि
हाँ.
आनी चाहिए.
Correct.
That was her situation.
Right.
ठीक है कि मुझे सिलाई आनी चाहिए, मम्मा ने सिखा दी थी when I was young. ठीक है. So she told me I know to this. I just do it because I find peace in doing that. ठीक है. मैं
Correct.
बैठ जाती हूँ अपनी मशीन लेके काटती रहती हूँ.
हाँ,
whatever it is, ठीक है.
right.
But upskill नहीं है. तो
हाँ.
when your skills are not upskilled, you cannot make anything out of it. So the first task that we gave her was to upskill herself. I didn't take a coaching.
Okay.
I said, see, I'm only giving you one task.
Hmm.
Okay, I'm always there with you whenever you need me. I gave her my personal number. I said, ठीक है चलो. Okay, whenever you need me, give me a call. But first thing that you need to do is you need to learn.
Hmm.
She learned how to make purses, women's purses.
Okay.
Those fabric ones.
ठीक है.
Right. Okay, and she learned how to make purses of different styles.
Okay.
So moti work and mirror works and those bridal purses that
हाँ,
normally
हाँ,
brides
right,
carry.
right. Trousseau पे.
Right? हाँ.
हाँ.
Okay. So now there's so much variety into it.
Hmm.
Right? There's sling bags. There's everything.
Right.
Okay. And then I said, okay, now you have something. So the first task that was given to her was to upskill.
ठीक है. Got
कि
it.
जो आपको आता है बेसिक, उससे
Right.
आपका काम नहीं चलेगा. You need
Right.
to upskill yourself.
Hmm.
ठीक है. Okay. तो upskill के बाद then now definitely you need to think of selling it or preparing
Hmm.
it. Okay. So you prepare. Okay. So if you are into product, you prepare your product. If you are into service, prepare your service.
Correct.
Okay. And then you start delivering it.
Okay.
Okay?
Correct.
ठीक है. Now एक और प्रॉब्लम आती है. हम ना चैरिटी शो चला देते हैं.
हाँ, this happens. Yeah. Even with me.
Okay.
It has happened in the
I have
past.
one of my friends.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Okay. We lost a very good friend of mine, and she had a good, decent corporate job. Okay. But then does this baking. She has learned professional baking.
Okay.
Okay. And for 2 years, this my good dear friend was, now she's going to kill me after watching this. Okay. My good dear friend was making and giving it for charity.
Oh,
Okay.
just
The moment I used to see on her status ना मेरा दिल जलता था. I used to be like, what stupidity are you doing? Okay, she used to be, नहीं यार मुझे अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा ठीक है, आप जा रहे हो चैरिटी कर रहे हो, ठीक है. ठीक है यार, 5-5, 6-6 किलो की चैरिटी कौन करता है? You carry 10 kg cake for charity? That is not charity. That is like अपना पैसा लुटाओ.
Exactly. Yeah.
Right? Okay, you are a woman. You have a young daughter to take care of. Right? Who knows, tomorrow your daughter can become interested in this thing. But then she was like, मेरा corporate job है. Like, same thing, self-doubt. मेरा corporate job है, मैं कैसे अपने नाम पे entity खोलूं? Daughter के नाम पे खोलूं? Fictitious खोलो.
हाँ.
Who told you? मम्मा
Right.
के नाम पे खोलो.
Exactly. हाँ.
There's so many things in today's laws that you have, right?
Right.
You don't have to put your name. You just have to put your talent. तो problem यहाँ है women में.
I think yeah. So
Skilling to upskilling के बाद selling.
selling is a very big task.
Selling
हमारे
is a
को
very
ना,
big task.
I think selling, you know what, not just girls, I think even guys, okay, we are discouraged from that selling thing. You know,
Indian society.
Indian society, it says, but selling कहाँ नहीं है, कहाँ नहीं है, you know, and I'll tell you, I had
You know
this
what? I
big
tell you,
thing because I was working in Kotak and all, na, and I remember I was getting an opportunity in some selling thing or something, okay. My father and my family, नहीं लड़कियां कहाँ बेचेंगी,
बेचती थोड़ी ना है।
ये सब थोड़ा ना करोगे आप,
Right.
किसी के घर थोड़ा ना जाओगे, ऐसे घर सारा नहीं होता है, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो माइंडसेट डाल देते हैं आपके अंदर के आपको बेचना नहीं है, आप ये सेल्स कर रहे हो, जैसे सेल्स नहीं, कोई गुनाह हो गया, आपने कोई गुनाह कर दिया. बट इमेजिन आई एम इन HR, मैं भी अगर किसी को कन्विंस कर रही हूँ ज्वाइन करने के लिए, बेचना ही है,
Obviously.
सेलिंग है ना. एंड ऑफ द डे आपकी कंपनी में कोई आ रहा है, वो सेलिंग है, आपने इंटरव्यू सेलिंग है, ठीक है. आप अभी तो
You're selling your company space.
एग्जैक्टली आप
है ना?
उसको
कि
कर
आप
रहे हो,
आओ, space भरो, ठीक है.
एंड यू नो कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक जिन लोगों के ये माइंडसेट दैट दे ब्रेक, दैट दे आर हैप्पी विद सेलिंग, बी हैप्पी विद योर प्रोडक्ट.
Yes.
Your product is good, you are confident of your product, you're confident of your services, तो बेचो ना.
हाँ. Okay, तो ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. We don't sell.
हाँ, we don't teach our children also to sell.
To sell.
और be happy with the fact कि sales job है.
वही.
हाँ.
So this was the problem.
हाँ.
And fortunately now my friend is setting up a venture. After 3
Luckily,
years.
touch wood.
After 3 years she got in a brain कि नहीं यार अब I need a secondary income also,
हाँ.
and it's good to have a secondary income. Okay,
Yes.
so she still continues with her corporate job. She
Hmm.
has responsibilities that needs to be taken care of. She has been a single parent for a long time, now into a second marriage due to some things. But then now she is like, I want a second thing. I want a passive income to come.
Very
Okay,
nice.
so even a business as a passive income opportunity is a good thing. You never know when your corporate shuts down.
Correct. With
In
COVID,
today's
things
uncertainty,
happen.
you don't
You
know.
can't.
To be very, very honest.
Yeah,
Right?
completely.
Okay, so this thing is there that don't self-doubt your things.
But what kind of, okay, so this is one thing is that self-doubt which women have is about के selling होगा कि नहीं होगा, मेरा, do I have the business sense, okay, because women doubt that. I
Right.
myself had my doubts,
Right.
you know, and I don't like numbers. I'm a creative person, so my number game is a little weak, okay, like I can't even remember phone numbers, birthdays, for the
Right.
business numbers are very difficult for me. But yeah, ठीक है, I have my son who is a marketing, you know, he's a management consultant. So all that is outsourced to him. So I know कि I have got somebody handling my bag, okay? He's like, Mama, आप अपना काम करो, ये मैं अपना कर लूँगा. So I'm very happy to handle that with him.
Right.
But what other self-doubts? Like I think, you know, we've reached this point here. I think there is a purpose to this. Women to really grow into their own, why they don't grow into their own is because of these self-doubts. I think you've mentioned something, you know, literally bullseye. Okay? तो एक तो बिजनेस नंबर्स नहीं आते हैं, बिजनेस क्या करेंगे, ठीक है, एक घर के बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे, हाउ विल यू सेल, व्हाट विल द फैमिली से,
Right.
okay, or what will my mother-in-law allow,
Obviously.
will my child, what else, you know, you have faced this something, so I want, और कौन से डाउट आएंगे विमेन को, what else is
बहुत
there?
doubts आते हैं women को, you know. I have, okay, so being very honest here, again I'm speaking this for the first time, okay, don't know why, okay, but yes, there have been times when I started, people didn't even want to tell in the family that I'm doing something.
Your own family.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, it's not about my spouse not being supportive.
Right.
Okay? It's not about my home environment not being supportive. मेरा home environment भी supportive था, मेरा spouse भी supportive था. When I told him I wanted to do something, he was like, yeah, okay, do. Okay. But ये जो एक होती है ना feeling कि यार if your son is going to the job, you can tell. ठीक है. If a female
Bahu.
is
Bahu?
it's not just bahu, but
Beti.
it's a female who
हाँ.
is going. I don't want to make it very specific
Correct.
here.
Right.
Okay. But if a female is going out, it's like I don't want to speak about all of this. Okay. ठीक है. So it took a lot of time for people to accept. ठीक है. तो लोगों को तो तब आप एक्सेप्ट कराओगे जब आप खुद एक्सेप्ट करोगे पहले.
करेक्ट.
होता क्या है कि क्योंकि वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते, आप एक्सेप्ट करना बंद कर देते हो कि आई कैन मेक इट हैपन. Okay, there were many times questions thrown like, do you think you really want to continue this?
अच्छा, okay, हाँ.
I said yes. After coming through a long journey of what I have been through, okay, of the money that I have spent, of the knowledge that I have gained, I don't want to put all of this into waste and again start on something new.
Correct. And
तो
why will you waste your talent?
हाँ, कभी कभी ये भी होता है, तो हमें टिके रहना है.
हाँ.
Whatsoever happens. और मेल्स का ये चीज़ बहुत अच्छा होता है.
हाँ, लोग समझते हैं क्या कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है.
ठीक है. और फीमेल्स के साथ क्या होता है, येस वी हैव बैरियर्स, ठीक है, एंड विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑल द फैमिलीज, ऑल द सिचुएशंस, सबके साथ अपनी अपनी सिचुएशंस है. देयर इज नो वन हु इज नॉट इन अ मेस. यू हैव योर ओन मेस, आई हैव माय ओन मेस, बट अपने घर की सफाई करेगा कौन?
No,
we have to do it ourselves. We have to clean our mess ourselves.
I think people tell women कि आपके husband तो why are you working? Is your husband not supporting you? You know, I think we get into that kind of a thing, you know. And so I remember my mother, you know, at the age of 35, 36, she started. My nani had opened a charitable clinic in my nana's name. Garage में, मतलब उनकी building में उनका garage था. So my nanny opened a charitable clinic. This is Kohli Magnetotherapy Clinic at Pali Hill. And my mother, so there were these two doctors who were coming, and naturopathy as well as magnet therapy and all that. Dr. Gokaran, Dr. Sahani and all that. And my mother started learning under Dr. Gokaran. And she was interested. And I think she's a natural born healer. My mother had those tendencies. So she started loving working there, and as a volunteer she would go initially, but then they said, why don't you learn, because you definitely have the
professional.
Yeah, so they started at the age of 35, 36, started studying about it and you know, whatever. But 21 years she ran that clinic. 21 years. Okay, 2003 the clinic shut down because 3 or 4, yeah, because my nanny died, and then we were shutting down the building, and so a lot of stuff happened. And plus then my son was also there. My mom said, now you work, I will look after your child. So my mom took that conscious call
decision.
Yeah, but guess what, in the entire 21 years the clinic was there, my father never referred a client to her. Okay, if somebody would tell him that your wife is doing so well, okay, what is she doing, nahi kuch to karti hai. He never even told people what she's doing. He would discourage people. Okay, he would not, if she's going, if there's a holiday, if he has a holiday and she doesn't have a holiday, she has to go to work, she has to go for her clinic, and only morning 3 hours she would go, 3.5 hours, that's it, morning ka time.
That's how we do it.
Every time there would be a fight. Why are you going? I have a holiday, you're not spending time at home. But she's only spending 3.5 hours. She's doing her morning routine. She's looking after the children.
Right.
Okay. So I have grown up in that environment. But then this is something that my mother, I think, learned the hard way. And she said, now this is what I am going to do. It took him a long time. He never accepted it till the end. But he was forced to say, okay, I don't have a choice. So I think somewhere that my mother earned that respect. So people might not like it, but you have to earn your own respect.
That's true. That's true. So you have to earn your own respect, and sometimes, like, you know, family members are proud also. Okay, they might not tell you. This is also a hidden thing. Okay. I have seen in a lot of cases. I've seen in my family as well. They might not tell you, but somewhere they are proud. Okay, and for me it definitely happens. Like, you know, my spouse is very very supportive in everything that I do, and
you're lucky.
Yeah, but then as I say, like, you know, you have to be the first one to fix your environment. Okay?
Right.
If I would have taken an option of sitting in a leisure chair and watching TV, he wouldn't have stopped me from doing that as well, thinking कि ठीक है, चलो घर का तो ध्यान रख रही है ना, मेरी माँ को खुश रख रही है, this is happening, that is happening, I'm getting hot food. वो सब तो अभी भी हो रहा है. I wanted my personal self to grow.
Very
so
true.
that's where the thing hit. कि it's not about the family, it's about my personal thing. What is my personal purpose? So as you said, like कभी-कभी purpose भी important है. तो when I started linking it, purpose ऐसा सिर्फ ये नहीं होता कि मुझे इतने मिलियन लोगों को impact करना है. I've seen people putting up vision statements and mission statements here and there when they introduce their startup. What I say is आपका जो इनर पर्पस होता है ना वो सिर्फ आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ से रिलेट हो सकता है एंड वुमेन के केस में ये बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. देयर शुड बी वन पर्सनल गोल जो आपको अगले 30 साल बाद नहीं देखना है. Okay, so when I say I don't want to say the same old stories to my daughter, it is not a this year goal. It is a later opportunity that I want my daughter to have. Yeah,
after 30 years.
After 30 years, I want her to be matured.
And no regret regarding yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to say after 30 years कि मैं क्या करूँ, मेरी बच्ची बाहर पढ़ने चली गई.
Exactly.
या मेरे बच्चे दोनों ही चले गए, मुझे छोड़ के चले गए. Okay, मैं हस्बैंड ध्यान देता ही नहीं है, अभी तो वो डायरेक्टर पोजीशन पे चला गया. I mean, this will happen. He has a progressive career. You build up for yourself.
You know, I'll tell you, when you mentioned about toppers and all that, in my family, she's my second cousin. Okay, in my school, okay, she was, I think, 3-4 years ahead of me in school. See, I was a dabba gul. Okay, as a student, तो I was horrible. All right, I used to come last के 10 लोगों में. Okay, तो I was never a topper in my life. And मतलब पढ़ाई कर ली बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई. Okay, this person मेरे से कुछ, she was I think 4-5 years elder to me. Always she used to come on the toppers. Okay, she was a topper, and her father was so involved in her studies and he was very proud of her, and father really encouraged her, you have to do something, whatever. This girl chose a line in pharmacy, okay, and pharma industry and pharmacy mein, and again she topped there as well. And why I remember her so clearly, because although she was my cousin and all, but there was this actual event which happened, because I think all India or all Mumbai mein SSC board, tabhi we had SSC, she had stood some rank, okay, and our school, which is Pettit, AF Pettit at Pali Hill, they had done a special function for her. So we were all sitting in the assembly, and she was literally, her parents were called on stage, she was called on stage. So there was this big function which took place only for her, and I was sitting niche like cross-legged on the like crowd. Okay? So we were, a lot of expectations from her. She was 4-5 years elder than me. This girl, after pharmacy, she stood up topper, whatever, and then she got married. Literally, she's a housewife. Okay, many years later, after her children became big and everything, she started teaching kindergarten, like just as a free time, 3-4 hours a day. And I'm like, really? Is this why you were doing studies? And her father really wanted her to do something big, because I know the father was very, very ambitious about her, कि मेरी बेटी कुछ करेगी, you know. But imagine, this is what she did. शादी हो गई, now typically Indian, North Indian family, you know, but there was no scope, and she's basically, then she went for 3 hours a day to a kindergarten, and she's helping out, but that's not a career, because she's not even a certified kindergarten teacher, she's just she's a volunteer. Okay, so what a waste of life. Like, I mean, she might not think it a waste, but I think it is a waste. I mean, I hope she's not saying this. But I just feel women need to have their own drive. And it's not a compromise, either this or that. You can have both. Yeah. You can manage both. Okay, now you are managing it. You have your in-laws. Alright. So are your in-laws feeling that hamare ko time nahi mil raha hai, or you're not looking, are they feeling like that? Or are you managing the house as well?
We have to.
You have
like
to.
Males, they don't have any plan B. We also should not have a plan B.
Correct. But you can manage both together.
कि बस plan एक ही है कि हमें दोनों को manage करके चलना है.
Exactly.
अगर आगे जाना है तो. Otherwise, you choose a life which is sedentary. Go sleep, eat breakfast, make breakfast, eat breakfast, serve, finish it off. If you feel like doing that.
Right.
But if not, build up something.
And I'll tell you one thing more, Sakshi, which happened with me. Okay, like 2012, there was a big reunion in my school. Okay, and it had been, I think, 100 years or something like that. We went for the reunion, and believe me, I got in touch with all the people from my class and everything, and so many of them are housewives. Okay, they said, okay, now we should meet every month and we should meet every 6 months or something. I literally have gone for 2 reunions. Okay. So many of them are housewives. All right. What are they doing? They're just drinking. They're all into, we want to have wine, we have to have alcohol. Nothing wrong in that. Okay. But their conversation is only about what food to eat, what restaurants have opened, what clothes we are going to wear, which wine, which is like, this is, and what are their children doing. That is the only conversation that they are having.
Right.
I literally only went for 2 events and I'm like, oh my
This
god.
is not the crowd that I belong to.
And they were close friends, like people have really liked them. I've been there with them in school and I just cannot connect with them. I said, what a waste to your life. What have you all, like, I can't tell them and I hope they don't kill me for this. But I just find that to be a complete waste of talent. They're good, intelligent girls.
That's what I said. You need to have a purpose.
Yeah.
Till the time you don't connect to a purpose, it will be like, okay,
हाँ
चलता है.
चलता है
ऐसे ही होता है.
हाँ पैसा है ना
हाँ, right.
मिल रही है खर्ची मिल रही है
Right,
you're good
right.
your children are doing good like that's it that's your life you know so I think okay I want to now come back I think let's हम लोग का ये थोड़ा सा depressing topic निकल गया I you know okay so if समझो there is somebody who has a business all right now do you help women or men starting up their business or what how do you come in the picture?
Okay. So see, the way I help people start is, as I said, the first start happens from you.
Okay.
So we look at people, we have support models that support your starting stages of a business.
Okay.
Yes, we do have some models, okay, that is into self-learning, self-understanding, self-implementing, DIY kind of models.
Okay.
Okay, that will help you to learn, that will help you to understand and implement. So we have a community called Solopreneur Circle.
Okay.
Where we do group coachings.
Okay. So
Okay,
there is
so-
coaching but group coaching.
Yes.
Okay.
For people who are starting up. Okay.
ठीक
Now
है.
what happens is when you're starting up, you have different challenges. But if you want to scale, the challenges are totally opposite.
Okay.
Because at starting you don't have system, you don't have team, you don't have tech in place, even you don't have the right kind of clients and services that are required.
Correct.
Right? When you are scaling, you have some clients who are giving you money. Okay? You have the team who is working behind those services. You have some tools, system, fix up. कुछ ना कुछ तो चल रहा होता है आपका. ठीक है? But now the problem is यहाँ तक तो आ गया, इससे आगे नहीं जा रहा.
हाँ.
So the problems in both the cases are different.
Okay.
Okay, so whether it be due to the experience 3 years पहले and 3 years बाद वाला, okay, some people they gain this faster, okay, sometimes due to influence or like you know some reference or something and they feel कि अच्छा ठीक है business चल गया मेरा तो हो गया first year में ही बहुत अच्छा चल गया. But then you face a problem of scaling. So when you face a problem of scaling, it cannot be compromised with common goals because now your goal is different.
So now it is a specialized thing for
Right.
you depending on your business
Yes.
and depending on where you really want to grow.
Yes. So
Okay.
then we help strategically. Then
Okay.
it's a one-on-one coaching model
ठीक
where
है.
you work with me, my team. Okay. So that's how we work. With us, the speciality that we have is we convert a regular service model into a premium business model. Which means if your client is giving you 20,000, 25,000, 20,000 rupees per month, we have that strategies in place that we help you create services worth 1 lakh per
Okay.
month from a single client.
But then, okay,
Okay.
what is going to be, so, I mean, I'm sure there are so many other people who are coaches there. Okay, now, if there is a client, and you know, right now, there are so many coaches, Sakshi.
I understand.
Okay, I tell you what, I started coaching and people tell me, humne to kar liya. Ye, arey, but you have to look at the experience, look at, you know, well, because people are coming with different mindsets, different experience levels.
Right.
Somebody today, a 22-year-old is saying, I'm doing coaching. But do they have that kind of capabilities which you have to access? So people are actually somewhere telling me also, you know, हमने तो कर लिया, and they think you're done. Like एक life coach कर लिया तो आप everything is all experience, but that's not the case. So when people come to you, okay, what are they really looking for, and what are their areas? Like they might have some kind of earlier experience also. How do you does this happen or
So people come to me with 2 things.
okay.
Okay, one disappointment, okay, and second is having an aspiration.
Okay.
तो अब ये 2 opposite चीजें हैं.
Correct.
Disappointment is negative, aspiration is positive कि मुझे कुछ करना है.
Right.
But आसपास इतना कुछ हो गया पिछले recent past में
Okay.
कि वो चीज़ मुझे आगे trust नहीं करने दे रही.
Okay.
Right? So I've got clients because I take
So
personal
mistrust.
consultations. Yes, there's mistrust.
Okay.
There are bad experiences from the industry.
ठीक है.
People have come to me. They have shared the experiences. Sometimes when I get to know names, even I am amazed. But speaking about all of this that's happening currently, there are also people in the industry who are doing literally good for entrepreneurs or like different people like you.
Right.
Okay. So there are people who are doing good. There might be evil eyes everywhere. It's not just this industry. There are evil eyes everywhere.
No, and also
right?
I guess mismatch of energies.
Mismatch of energies.
Correct.
Right? Okay. And everyone has a different strategy. It's all like where you resonate.
Correct.
Okay. So the only thing that I ask people is, did you resonate with the person that you were working with?
Correct.
Okay. Because sometimes what happens is we fall into the glitter and glance. And you know what people answer me at that particular moment? When I ask this question, people are like, "नहीं, मैंने उसकी success देख के I just went into it." I didn't resonate with that person, but just I saw the environment that was shown to me over a video or over a conference call, and I was glued to that environment rather than being glued to the person.
Oh.
So from being a person to person touch, it became a person to environmental aspiration.
How do you handle this then?
Okay. So for me, the first thing is then sometimes what I have done, I have literally removed my background screen and I show them what is around me.
Okay.
I'm like, see, this is where I sit. Are you ready to work with such a person?
Correct.
Okay. So now this person also becomes real with me. Now the person is like, ma'am, ये हमारी सच्चाई है.
सच्चाई तो.
So because you wanted to trust me, right? So I don't want to show you offices.
Correct.
That I don't have. I want to show you what I own.
So you work from your home?
Yeah. I have a home office. I have a remote team.
Even this is a home office for me. I have a home office. Yeah.
Okay, so there's nothing wrong. Today we are into digital evolvement of businesses.
Right.
Okay, I am running a service business. I don't need a factory.
Correct.
I don't need a space. I travel to my client's space. They don't need my office.
Right.
Currently. Okay. Currently it is not a requirement for my team also.
And online है तो client कहाँ घर पे आ रहे हैं?
कहाँ घर पे आ रहे हैं? ठीक है?
Right.
Okay, so these kind of things are there. So when you have such a kind of model, when you don't need a thing, you don't invest in that thing as a business. This is rule.
Correct.
Rule number one for any business: if you don't need anything, don't invest.
Correct.
So why should I invest? Okay, so first thing that I do is I make them realize my reality.
ठीक है.
Then they are like, अच्छा ये इतना खुल के बोल रही है तो we can start like trusting. Then they will tell me their reality. Then they tell me their stories. From there the opening and peeling of layers start happening.
Tell me one, maybe somebody ka, like don't name names or something, but yeah, like somewhere where that they have like the biggest success story for you or something like that you really love. ऐसे कुछ हुआ हो, where they came with a lot of mistrust, but then they really grew.
So it's not just about mistrust. I think it's a combination.
Okay.
You land up into mistrust. You land up into wrong strategies sometimes.
Okay.
That are quick term strategies.
Right.
What I believe is in a transformation cycle.
Okay.
That leaves you with a vehicle that becomes like you just have to fuel it and it starts running. So every time you fuel it, it will run. Every time you fuel it, it will run. That is my job to create such a kind of business. Okay. Sometimes when you lead to short-term goals and short-term systems, they're good enough for that particular moment, but then you forget that they are not everlasting.
I'll tell you something which I find, most of the business coaches, okay, this is maybe my experience, but they only want upfront amount. Okay, what they will tell you is, we will take you through a 6-month program. See, I'm not saying anything wrong in that. I've also gone through it. I've gone through.
We all have gone through.
We've all gone through.
Even I have done a lot of them.
So the minute they will say is like, okay, this is upfront. You have to pay this amount, and it's usually in a few lakhs. Okay.
Right.
Like
it's a big number.
It's a big number. Okay, and we've done it.
That's what I'm saying. We've done it.
And I'm very happy with some things that and most things I've done because I think I've learned a lot in that. But sometimes I feel that the result has not. I have grown mentally. I have grown. I've learned skills. I've learned this, but somewhere there is still some areas where I have not done something, and sometimes I now get a little skeptical of paying that upfront amount. I might have learned 60-70%,
Right.
okay, but I have not learned that 100%. There are still areas, So when now I have to go to a business coach. I am not in the. I
can
hesitate.
totally understand you.
I hope you're getting where I'm
Yes.
coming from. Like, I don't want to pay them that upfront amount. So, do they also have something similar with you? I mean,
So, you know, this is something that I have learned beautifully with one of my coaches. Okay.
Okay.
That you price for what you do.
okay.
Till the time you don't justify, you don't price it. Okay.
But that's what they
So-
are also justifying their prices.
Okay.
Yeah.
They are justifying their prices. They have a different system altogether.
Correct.
With me, when you come, you're coming out on a personal transformation journey. So the transformation journey is not a one-day journey. And when it is not a one-day journey, it's my job, it's my responsibility as a human to see to it that everything happens progressively. So in our setup, we take progressive payments.
Okay.
So we call this flexi payment plan.
ठीक है.
Okay, which is something like as you progress in your business, your consulting fee increases because then more of my team members are involved, more
Okay.
of my time is involved because then the data grows, the strategies are more intense, I have to spend more time with you. So धीरे धीरे ना चीजें intense होती जाती हैं.
ठीक है.
I have a justification for that.
So obviously,
Right?
if they are getting intense, that means somewhere some business has started coming in.
Yes.
Their earnings have also gone higher,
Yeah.
and that is why they can also pay
They
higher.
can pay me.
So
There's a
it's
clear
not
calculation.
like there is not like a, you keep paying me, and your business is not grown. That will not happen. So your pay, I'm paying you, business is growing.
Yes.
Then I pay you little more, business growing more. So that is how I can.
Yes.
I think that somewhere sums it up.
Exactly. So we also take in advance.
Okay.
Because in today's world, this is the requirement.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Because you pay something and only then you get the services. So yes, we do take it in advance, but we have our own ways of taking
Because you're not
advance.
free. Obviously, we're not free.
Yeah, I
You
mean,
cannot
I do
give-
charity, but I have my own ways of
No,
doing charity.
charity I will do where
Okay.
I want to.
Yes.
Not
Okay.
in my.
But this is my business model.
Correct.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we do take flexi payment options. We do see to it that we are taking it according to the growth that you have. So there are two things: growth percentage and consulting fee percentage, and we have a formula set for it where we know where you are, and according to your growth, we price you.
Okay, got
Now
it.
I know that many people are not doing it in the industry, and,
But I am actually
and-
happy with what you're saying.
Yeah.
It actually gives me a lot of satisfaction. I think somewhere my trust in you grows because you're not taking everything upfront. I think somewhere Sakshi, I mean, definitely at this stage where I am also, I think I'm definitely going to evaluate working with you because you're understanding my problem. Like I've reached some place, and I'm very happy where I've reached. But yeah, I know what I have to reach more. You know, and I don't want just to keep giving कि पहले दे दिया and then I don't have any results. So now I have someone who's working with me for my results as well. क्योंकि मेरे को I have too many dreams, Sakshi. मतलब you think you have one, you're like purpose. I have multiple purposes. Like I really want to, I create this into an entire empire, and that is my, which I really want, you know, and not just for myself, but for the people whose lives are going to change. So I really want to create something big, and I think I need people like you. Because where I've come, it's good,
Yeah.
but I need to, you know, so I want that to be the case, and not just me only struggling with everything. Somewhere, you know, you need all this help
you
and all
get,
that.
You
yeah.
get that mental support, you get the team support, and there's one beautiful thing that we do that I think many people, I haven't gone through anyone who has sit with my data and said this is going wrong. Okay, so when I started my businesses, one thing that we did constantly with our businesses is I am into multiple business framework currently, and one thing that we have done with every business is studying data minutely. So when I take decisions for my own business, or when someone else as my client, they take the decisions, we take decisions based on data and our results. So it's not
The
just
number
me
games also,
speaking.
yeah.
It's not just me speaking.
Right.
Okay, when you come to me, there are two wings that we have. I always say my airplane has two wings.
Okay.
To take you on the journey.
ठीक
Okay.
है.
This is how I create a fictitious airplane for everyone to come sit with me.
You don't have an airplane, you have an airlines. You have a complete.
So I say I have a data wing and a research wing. Okay?
Right.
Now normally what happens with small companies is we don't personally keep a data analytic team because it's costly for us.
Correct.
A data analyst comes at 45,000, 50,000, 60,000 price point per month.
Per month.
ठीक है, it's not a joke to give 60,000 salary to someone per month जो कि आपको sales नहीं लाके दे रहा है. ठीक है, उससे आपका सेल्स नहीं आ रहा है, तो इतना प्रॉफिट पहले तो आपको जनरेट करना पड़ेगा टू हायर समवन फॉर दिस, राइट? टिल द टाइम यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दिस, आवर टीम इज डूइंग दैट फॉर यू. That's where we have the differentiator. We have a research person, in-house research person, who does research for my clients.
Wow. You
Okay,
have
so-
given me something which I don't think. So this is the reason for your success, because you know
Yes.
what? This is
So
something which
I-
people are not getting outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That I'm very confident now
Ah.
because many people have told me that yes, this is something that we don't get. Okay, so because see, when you talk about me, people ask me like, I am 6 years into business. Okay, I myself, I say sometimes, what authority do I have to give decisions for your business? Who am I? Outsider?
Yeah.
Right? Am I an insider? I know what's happening in your house. I know how you're dealing with your clients. No, I only
Wow.
know structure. I know data. I know market.
यही तो चाहिए.
Okay.
This is what you
Okay,
need.
So these are the only things that I know.
Yeah.
Your relationship with the client is the personal way you handle your client. I will tell you how to do it, but I cannot. आत्मा नहीं हूँ मैं कि तुम्हारे अंदर घुस के I'll deliver there.
Correct.
Okay, so I can give you data. I can help you make decisions based on data. I can help you with what's going on in the market because that's what we are specialized in. And I can give you my experiences, past experiences in the past 6 years that have happened.
Practically applying things.
Right.
Practically.
Okay, so that is
Yeah.
how we move in coaching.
Wow.
So this way, the structure with my clients, it has been really very amazing. Okay, I have had
Has to be,
clients
yeah.
who were selling their products. मतलब freelancers थे, 5,000, 10,000 में अपनी service बेच रहे. Okay, because they have a freelancing model. We made them into an agency model.
Oh wow.
Okay, I had some agencies who are just charging 15,000, 25,000 as a fee. Okay, but when you have to scale your business, you need something मोटा amount coming into you.
Correct.
जैसे कोई
Correct.
आपके पिगी बैंक में पैसा डाल रहा है,
हाँ.
ये तेरे महीने का खर्ची है.
Correct.
So you need one premium client and your life changes
Amazing.
because you have the budget to play with.
And because of your progressive pricing, you're also giving
So-
them that comfort.
Comfort.
Yeah.
ये खर्चा करो ना marketing के ऊपर.
Aste, aste. Slowly you're growing.
Slowly you grow.
Amazing.
So there is women client who are like how do I manage? I said what you need to manage, grow as like especially after maternity. I have some clients after maternity because somewhere they resonate with my life cycle. Okay, so I have some clients who after maternity they are like I'm running something from home or I'm not getting something to run. These are the people that I get, and sometimes when I get these clients, I just tell them one thing, that grow your business as your kid grows.
Oh, it's another kid. It's another kid in the house. Yeah.
ठीक है,
It's your
जैसे से आपका
baby.
बच्चा बढ़ रहा है, आप अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाओ ना, आपको और टाइम मिलेगा, और टाइम मिलेगा, और टाइम मिलेगा. I started with 2 hours per day. Today I get 8 hours for my business.
Nice.
Kids are going school. Kid is going school. I have my own schedule. I know when I have to sit for the second shift, the first shift. बीच में there is break. ठीक है, हर ऑफिस में ब्रेक होता है. अगर मैंने वो 45 मिनट्स की जगह अगर मैंने 1.5 घंटे का ब्रेक ले लिया तो इट्स ओके. I know how to cover it at the day's end.
Correct.
So once that schedule is fixed, you make the schedule for yourself. You make the environment for yourself.
Lovely, lovely, lovely.
So today my 6-year-old also knows that when mama is sitting on the call, I'm not supposed to come on the camera. Okay?
Cool.
She's trained like that. She saw me from when she was growing up.
Right.
So you create your own environment. You remember we were speaking. अपना खुद का environment बनाओ.
Correct.
कोई आपको देगा नहीं. You have to create it.
कुछ नहीं. Free. Nothing. There's no free lunch in
There
the
is
world.
no free lunch in the world. You have to
Exactly.
create it. You have to work for it.
Right.
Get your own work desk. खरीदो अपने पैसे से. भले ही
हाँ.
पति देने के लिए तैयार हो, but फिर भी खरीदो.
Correct.
Because वो जो feeling आएगी ना कि ये मेरा है, that will be different.
You know, Sakshi, people think that because you're an entrepreneur, and now obviously, you're successful. So they just feel that, you don't know problems. You don't know हमारी life में क्या problems है. आपको नहीं पता हमारे साथ क्या हो रहा है. Yesterday I met somebody, by the way, and so we were just discussing something, and I said, see, you will have to work on yourself. If you really want आपको results चाहिए, you want those results, you will have to work on yourself. Where do I get the time? You don't know what I'll have gone through. The minute people tell me that those are, what you mentioned initially, excuses.
Yes.
So you come to know, so I take a back seat. I said, हाँ ठीक है, फिर आपको what you want to do, you do it. Then I am not in the picture. So I don't even bother telling them anything. Because I know ये excuses, मतलब the master of excuses will come out. So when people look at you, or what are the challenges that I want you to tell what are your challenges that you have faced, because I know I have faced a lot to reach here.
Right.
Without challenges, you cannot reach somewhere. But people think that हाँ इसको क्या पता, you know, whatever. But I'm sure life में challenges तो आए ही होंगे.
Definitely.
You know, so
Definitely.
if you can just share some one thing, because I want people to understand that nobody has a perfect life. You know, and so what was your biggest challenge?
Okay, so there have been multiple challenges, but then yes, definitely one of the biggest challenges has been my health crisis. During the second wave of COVID, it just happened that I went 90% blind.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
That is
like
and
the
eyes-
day to me was night. I couldn't see anything.
Okay.
And you know, sometimes it just happens that you are the stronger person in the relationship, okay, like between men and female, okay, men and women, okay, and it's like you break and everything starts collapsing, okay. So that was the moment when I realized that I don't have to break. So I was holding this back a lot. कि ठीक है, whatever is happening, it will,
And with
it
a
will
small
get
child,
thing,
how old was your child that point of
2.5 years.
2.5 साल के बच्चे के साथ तो
Yeah.
you definitely need that
Yeah.
complete, आपको supervision चाहिए, वो
Right.
देखना है, and
Yes.
उस time पे this is huge.
So I started my business when she was 5.5 months old, and the business setup was already in place when this thing happened, and we were growing, we were having clients in hand and stuff, and suddenly this thing happened. We were thinking of hiring new team members and because we were getting so many clients at that particular moment, and me and my friend, we were just like, yeah, let's just kill this whole thing, we are just killing it, it's going very nice. And then this challenge happened, and I couldn't see anything. 15 days I held it back. 16th day, 17th day, it just happened. I broke down, and
My
I
God.
was just my husband loves a fresh iron on the shirt in the morning, okay. So however it is ironed, the iron, we just do the ironing. So sometimes it's him, sometimes it's me. I was just ironing, and I realized I can't see the crushes on the shirt.
Oh
Okay.
my God. Okay.
That's when I broke down. I said, I cannot see where the button is. I cannot make out whether the shirt is ironed. I broke out. So my husband comes out from the bath, and here I am ironing, and tears are rolling down my eyes. And he understood something has gone wrong. And I cried like hell that
My
day.
God.
And everything just came out, and I just told him, I don't know what's happening. I don't want to end up like this and all that stuff, all that negativity. But then fortunately, I just took it out in front of him, although I didn't want to. And then this whole thing happened, but then fortunately we could get a doctor who could bring us back. There were a lot of medications involved, a lot of steroids involved. So with steroids there come mood swings and everything happens, right?
But
so there was a
you-
moment when my kid, 2.5-year-old, she was just learning to scribble that time, right? Write some letters, and she is a drawing person, she's an artist kind of a thing. So she loves to draw, she loves to color, and she makes something and she brings to me and keeps it in my hand. And I'm sitting there on the bed, and she brings to me, and Mama, maine banaya, and that tutla hua awaaz and everything. And she's sitting there and she's telling me, Mama, maine banaya, look how it looks. And I couldn't see it.
My God.
So the only thing that I could feel the book, that it's there in my hand, and I could have an outline कि अच्छा ठीक है यहाँ पे कुछ white color का है. Okay, rest nothing was visible.
Oh my God.
So that was the moment when I was like, I don't want to spend my life like this. And from there to going on to believing into healing meditations and stuff, where I literally changed myself also, because we all are not by birth like this, right? Sometimes situations make you do certain things which you start believing in. So I started believing in healing meditations. I started training myself. Didn't went into a mentor or coach that time, but then yes, did it for myself because I was self-aware, quite aware at that particular moment. And then with those plus the medications, it started
How
slowly and slowly.
long ago? I mean, are you totally recovered now?
Yes, kind of 90%, 10% defects are still there.
Wow.
It
And
still
even
lingers
with that, you're still like soul. You're like journeying
Now,
on,
it's-
and yeah,
It's a part of life.
it's a part of life.
So,
But
see,
how
I cannot
long
cut
did it
these
take-
structures and keep it outside.
But
right?
how long did the entire recovery process?
It took me 9 months to move out of my steroids process. And you know what? Taking steroids is easy, but leaving steroids is a very bad phase where you
Yeah, I'm
face a
aware.
lot of things.
Yes.
And being women, you also face hormonal issues.
I've faced a lot of that, so I can
Right?
totally vouch for it. Yeah.
Okay, so that is again a challenge that women face कि हमारे hormones किसी भी medicine से बहुत जल्दी fluctuate होते हैं.
Correct.
So I was advised this before taking the medicines that we are giving you the medications but there are repercussions. You're not going to plan, you're not going to do this, not going to do that, ये सब होगा, fluctuations होंगे, everything he told me. Being a male doctor also, he like advised me, पूरा अच्छे से उन्होंने सब समझाया था. And for the next 2 years, we were told कि you have to be very, very precautious with whatever happens because
Right.
any slight thing can pull the condition back to what it was.
Oh my god.
So that was my thing. And between it used to happen. It used to trigger. I used to take medicines again and it used to come down. So
9
this
months
took,
of
this took again another 1.5 year of going up, coming down, going up, coming down. Because what used to happen was my eyes used to get swollen.
Okay.
And then once it gets swollen, you can't see anything. Your water is dropping. So what happens is here the nerve swells up.
Oh my god.
And once this nerve swells up, your brain is not receiving signals of what your eye sees. So you see everything that's hazy.
Oh my god.
called
you know,
uveitis in medical terms.
I would never.
So
What is it called?
uveitis.
Uveitis.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you know what? It's just one in every I think 99%, only 1%.
But why did you get it? I mean, what was the reason?
I don't know. It was the second wave of COVID. I was just having fever, slight fever. Normally, as we take paracetamol, I took paracetamol. I was okay. But then suddenly, this thing came back to me. So someone told me it must have been that virus thing. But because you took medications early on, it just didn't infect anywhere. But it started growing onto the brain.
Oh.
Or like any one part of the body. It just happens. Like that's what the doctor also told me. Because we did
Correct.
all the tests, but we couldn't find anything.
But what this particular experience, you know, so what was it that really after this experience, now that you've gone through it, you know, like I'll tell people, you know, that we have certain our experiences, okay, you know how when there's a game, there's an app, okay, and certain of your experiences you like in a gaming app, you know, you've now added a sword, you've not added something, or if it's a car game, now you've got your car ka color has changed, your car has upgraded. So these are our experiences. I call this the gamiverse. It's your gaming universe. We actually lived, it's in my book by the way. So this particular thing, this is what happened. What do you think it added to your life? Like what was the upgrade that you got as a person in this?
I got a really lot of things. So my husband was behind my back to write a book.
Okay.
From the start of my training journey. He was
Right.
like, मैंने trainers को book लिखते हुए देखा, you should write it. But then that sense of writing a book was not coming only. Okay, so then when I went all this in all this situation, the only one question that I asked to my mentor was, how do I sustain this particular time period? Okay, I know doctors are doing their work, I know I am doing my work on my health, on my physical self, but I want to keep myself mentally involved into my business. One day I called my friend in the morning and I said, see, we are shutting this off, or you take it from me, I don't want to run it. She was like, pagal hai kya? Okay, we are going to run it, don't worry. And my team was there supporting me. That's when I realized how important it is to have team members into your business.
And trustworthy team members.
Trustworthy
like,
team
and because you're giving them that respect, you're
By
giving them
God's
that
grace,
space.
I have got people who have worked 2 years, 4 years with me. 6 years के business journey में कोई आपके साथ 4 साल काम कर रहा है, बहुत बड़ी बात है.
हाँ.
I feel blessed that way.
Wow.
Okay, कि I've got team members who are working with me continuously. There are team members who have come back.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing.
They ask, ma'am, कुछ काम है क्या?
So what did you?
So the point here is कि like it has been a journey. It has been a topsy-down journey, tipsy-turvy journey.
Topsy-turvy
journey. Okay, and this topsy-turvy journey has always taught me two things. One, believe in yourself, because once you lose self-belief, nothing will be able to pull you back.
And also believe in your purpose.
Believe in your purpose, okay, but कभी-कभी क्या होता है जब आप बहुत कुछ झेल रहे हो तो पर्पस नहीं दिखता है.
हाँ.
उस टाइम पे मेरे लिए ये नहीं था कि मैं अपनी डॉटर को क्या स्टोरी बताऊंगी. उस टाइम पे मेरे लिए ये था कि भाई मैं देख तो लूँ उसको हंसता हुआ.
हाँ.
वो बड़ी हो रही है.
Right.
Right? When she'll smile, how will I look at her? How she looks?
Correct.
Okay, so that was my feeling at that particular moment. उस particular moment में मुझे
If you
purpose
had to
नहीं
give
याद
it
आ
one word, like what was this that one word that you experienced after you overcame this?
So the one word that I experienced, I cannot describe it in one word. I'm very bad at one words. I'm very elaborative kind of person. Can't describe it in one words, but it was like, what should I say? I realized I'm born to fly. Okay, although I saw it recently, but अभी यही आ रहा है दिमाग में. Okay, but then I realized कि नहीं, if this is happening to me and if it has come back, अगर मैं वापस आई हूँ तो उसके पीछे कुछ purpose है. Otherwise, I could have lost it. Okay, so sometimes universe gives you hint कि मैंने तुझे गिराया. Depends how you get up. If you don't get up the right way, you
Right.
won't be in the journey back again.
Yeah.
You see the marathon runners or the race runners, if you don't get up at that particular moment, if you sit and cry, oh my god, I hurt my ankle, you will never be in the race again. The race
Correct.
will be finished. By the
Right.
time you realize your ankle and like you know you
हाँ.
cry and पोचोगे आप उसको, तब तक तो दुनिया निकल चुकी होगी, right? Okay, so
Correct.
there is no moment for crying. You cry, you heal yourself.
Take
But
that, I think,
take that time and
take
move
that
forward.
time to even, yeah, feel sorry for yourself a little bit also. Take that time for your own space, but then get up.
Get up.
Because you cannot wallow in that space for more than, like, so I'll tell you what, I have this thing, I came up with a blog 2020, 1920, okay. I realized that this was obviously a problematic area, which was, you know, a very bad area, bad time for you, but even with success, people are not able to get over their success. Like, you get one success in one area of your life and they're done. Okay, अब तो like हम तो है, हमने तो ये किया.
So I remember a talk with my
हाँ.
mentor after
हाँ.
after I came throughout all this. This happened in 2021.
Right.
In 2022, I met my mentor personally after COVID. He did a program. We went there, and the only question that I asked was like, you know, okay, now this all happened. Okay, I've told you my story, and then he's like, you know, why this happened? Okay, because you stopped learning, you stopped understanding what's going on. You were satisfied with what you were getting.
हाँ.
So the nature showed you, it has its own ways to pull you back.
Correct.
You went into one phase of success and you are like, I am successful.
हाँ.
Okay, and this is a very hard thing to accept. Me and my friend, we were running a partnership venture. We are still running it. And that partnership venture went very well that particular time, in
Okay.
2021. मतलब we were earning,
Like,
touchwood, we were earning very nice.
right.
हम अच्छे profits बना रहे थे, दोनों बहुत खुश थे. And we were expanding. And suddenly this thing happened. The whole model collapsed.
Wow.
Because I was the strategy person. So
you
and
stopped
she was the
learning, you
execution
stopped
person.
growing.
हाँ. Okay, तो मैं strategy person थी. तो my mentor made me realize, see what's your role, what you're doing, what you were getting. You were getting one part of the success. You are not made for this. You are made for the next level. So always I tell people, community is an environment that helps you grow. So please be involved in any one community that you want.
And I tell people, like, I do this with people, you know, I said, whatever you're doing, once you get success, you will get success, okay, you will start seeing success. Keep a timeline for your success, okay. So if you feel that, okay, this is something I'm doing, and so give yourself maybe, you know, a day or 2 days, okay, I will be very happy, I have got this, all right. So this actually I saw with my son first. So I wrote this blog in 2020, okay. I saw that once his exam went well, he became so overconfident and then he stopped studying. कि हम तो दे दिया, ये तो हो गया, you know. And I was like, how long, the blog is called, how long does it take you to recover from success?
Obviously.
Because you will recover from failure much faster
And much better.
much better, and you don't recover from success so fast. So you have to give yourself that time. And believe me, one of my mentors, you know, last year I went to Don Malhotra's thing, and he said the same thing, and I was like, oh, so I'm right.
I'm not the alone.
I'm not the alone one.
Yeah.
And he told me, he was like talking about something, and he said, I give myself 24 hours. कि ये हो गया, 24 hours हो गया, अब बस खत्म. Now file it up. Like, it's filed.
Finish it off.
Finish
Party
it off.
and finish it off.
Finish it off. 24
Yeah.
hours, up kya? Next,
Right,
what next?
right.
And that is where this is that growth mentality.
So I've also learned that, you know, celebrate your success, but finish off with your success.
Yes.
Move to the next pedestal.
Exactly.
That's more important.
So I think that is something, it's a good
That's
point.
a take from today. I think.
Yeah, and I think so, you know, move on from your success, because success, in the long run, if you just keep with success, it's going to pull you down.
Right.
Failures teach you to grow. Success teaches you what to file away and say, okay, what next?
Yeah.
So I guess this is a nice
Success
place.
teaches you growth.
success teaches you growth.
Yes.
Yeah. Recovery from success teaches you growth.
Baby. Better said that.
So this is, I think, a nice way to end the podcast.
Yeah,
And thank you so much for coming, Sakshi.
Thank you so much for calling me here. I'm
Yeah.
really, really grateful. for
Yeah,
being,
we had a nice
being able to
conversation,
share
and I
so
guess I want people, anyone who have a business, definitely get in touch with Sakshi, because you want to really grow your business. You want to be in the premium segment. You don't want to always be in a zone of survival where you're just handling clients and just managing your life. Better to start excelling into a different zone, and I think that is something where Sakshi can definitely help you out. And if that is the case, please get in touch with Sakshi, and we will leave the description, in the description of this video, how you can get in touch with her and her team. Thank you.
Thank you so much.